Good morning, good morning, good morning. Damn, that was bright. It's blasting me in the face. Hello, Carther. How are you doing this morning? So, I took a bit of a longer sleep today. Felt I needed it. So, it's gonna be a quickie today, but I have something we haven't done before. Good morning! Let me get my box of things. And we can... I think we can start with this. Trying to see if I can hack the VTech lol. Really? How would you want to hack it? That would be fun. Yeah, let's see. Wait. Okay, you can see my chat on the left. That's cool. Is that too small or is that good enough? I don't know. You tell me. Anyway, these are the first things. I dropped the screw. Where did it go? Yeah, it's gone. Anyway, these are the first things I ever bought and to fix. And maybe we can get in closer. Yeah, I don't know, lol, just checking possibilities. Yeah, maybe you can make something fun out of it. That would be cool. Anyway, this was the first lot of things I ever bought. It's a bit too small. Okay, thank you. Because I don't want it to be in the way either. Beep, beep. I feel this is a bit stupid. Okay, maybe this, we'll see if it cuts out or anything like that. I don't know. Get a bigger screen. What's your problem? I'm kidding. Anyway. This is one of the first things I ever bought. It was a water damaged wheel lot with like 2 Wii's and 7 controllers and stuff like that. So since I have a new battery for my multimeter, I'm thinking we can try to fault fight this. I got a 27-inch one, lol. We're still talking about TVs, or are we talking about something else? And I also need membrane. Oh, hello, someone. He got a battery. Yes, I did. I went to the store at lunch because I was angry. I was thinking like, oh, I have to have a multimeter battery. And now the screen is super bright and I don't know if you can hear that. Let me get it to the microphone. Hopefully you heard that. So I'm gonna turn it off, so it's not gonna be on the whole stream. And good morning, someone, if I didn't say that. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna try out these water damaged Wii controllers. So I'm being a bit smart. I'm gonna use a Xbox 360 battery cover, and I'm just gonna hold it here. Yeah, I mean, I think that's good enough. And can we just try to turn it on? And maybe I should have put it in the case. Wait. Just trying to see. I know we didn't get any life, but yeah, we don't seem to still. So we're gonna check this under the microscope just to see if everything is okay. If not, we're probably gonna do some short testing. And if we don't find anything with that, we are going to what you call it? Oh, thanks for subscribing, Jeremy Death. Yeah, and if that doesn't give us anything, we're just gonna put it in the case, I guess, and try to follow voltages and see where it drops off. So a little fun detective work this morning. Ooh, I haven't seen the inside of a Wii controller. You know what? There are so many revisions of this controller. It's crazy. I had 7 controllers. All of them were different inside. Whip microscope. Let's go. That's my iFixit. Okay, so what did I say? Oh yeah, I just wanted to check around first. Bloop. This is really big. Also, I have to move the real chat, so to speak, because you guys are in the way. Oh no, nope. It wants to change all my window settings. I haven't seen inside of a Wii controller either. Have you seen the inside of a VTech? Or you didn't get that far? Okay, is this focus okay? Okay, I think it's better. And I really love this microscope. Anyway, so we're gonna check around, see if anything stands out. A quick hey before going out to work. I'll check the videos when released. Have a fixful day. Thank you, Alessandro. Have a wonderful day at work. Thank you for stopping by and saying hi. Hope your day will be great. Yeah, I have it. Yeah, I have. It has solder jumper pads for logo, some version. Ah, cool. Cool. So, I mean, I don't see anything that's bad, but these were water damaged, and I did clean them with isopropyl alcohol when I got them. Maybe that was bad. Are these coils okay? How do you check coils? Do I have to check, like, ohms, continuity, or something? Because as some of you know, I am trash at this. Oh yeah, there's a bunch of stuff below this thing. Maybe. No, I don't think there should be. I'm just gonna take this off. Check underneath. No, there's nothing under here. But there is another side. Wait, how do I get this back on? Does it? Okay, it wants to come off. So here's just buttons, pads, and stuff like that. So ohms, okay. Does this look good? I think it does. So I'll get to the ohms reading in a sec. I just wanted to check this out. Wait. Is this just a marking? Maybe it is. Let me check it. I think it's just a marking. There are many caps here, so we're gonna be able to check for shorts somehow. Does this still look water damaged? Wait, can you... There is some blue here, do you guys see that? And I think this is a via. And that's not a good good sign. Oh yeah, I forgot. Is there something missing here? No, that's the LEDs. Yeah, that looks a bit bad. Agreed. Maybe I can get a bit closer in, or I can shine a light on it or something. Let me just try to clean it up, just to see what happens. I mean, I can see blue at least. Yeah, and there was some water damage on these, so... where is this? Okay, here we are. That might be something. But yeah, I came up with a new pun yesterday. We were watching Joey's stream, and I was messing around in Kick, and I thought, hey, wait. I have something to... have a new pun to say. You guys want to hear it? You're gonna hear it anyway. I don't know why I'm asking. But it was something on the in the lines of what did I think of? It was something like did you hear about the 0 ohm resistor that cheated? He couldn't resist it. It was really bad. No, yes. Okay. I just want to check these inductors. And oh wait, are these the ohm readings? So 4.7 ohms, and I guess 10 or 100 ohms. And from what? It should be left to right, like, I think so. Sorry, I know it's bad, but so am I. Okay. So you obviously can't see the multimeter. So if I go in continuity, okay, wait, you know what? I'll go in ohms, see what happens, because I don't know what readings. No, it's not. Okay, what does it mean? What does it mean? Teach me, master. I'm just gonna do this and hope that it gives us something. Bloop. Oh my god. 1. Oh yeah, I remember now I was watching the recording of Joey's stream and I heard him mention your name. Yeah, I'm a bit of a big deal. No, I'm joking, I'm just messing in the chat. I don't really know what the value is, probably micro Henry or something, but this should read short. Okay, cool. So this is 1 ohm. I don't know, are these, that's the same plane or are there 4 planes? 0.9 ohms, 1 ohm. I got the battery terminals are in the way. Stop. 1 ohm also. 1 ohm. I feel like there's 4 points here, but I'm not sure. 0.8 ohms. 0.8. Okay, yeah, that's because it's another value as well. I think these are okay. But this should reach. Okay, cool. So I think these are okay. And I'm wondering, are these battery terminals even okay? Because wait, which are they? It's that one. So that one should go to there. I'm just gonna check if that goes there because as I said, these were a bit water damaged. I'm just checking around. So here. Wait, is it supposed to go through there? Wait, what? Oh my god. I was checking capacitance. Sorry. Stream lagging sometimes a bit, but only video. Is Windows updating, lol. Yeah, my computer is kind of chugging along, and I lost some frames lately. So it might be that. Sorry about that. I blame Bill Gates with his $5 haircut. Okay, it's not 100. It's not really going there. It's like very iffy. Maybe I need to reflow this solder. So that might be an issue. And this, what is this, ground or something? Yeah, I think that's the negative because that's ground. Lol, true. Cool. Okay, so there is an issue with continuity here. I just want to see, can we see something cool? Sorry for gross fingers. Yeah, that joint looks really weird, I think. Is it just me? I don't know. Maybe this whole controller needs a reflow. Are these joints okay for the button? I mean, they look better than this one. Okay, so I'm gonna just touch up this joint. We see a bit of brown around it as well. Okay, let's get the Pinecil in action. But where is my... I always misplace my charger because it's so good I use it for other stuff. I'm just gonna find it. Where are you? Yeah. So I'm gonna, I don't know, should I remove the solder or just touch it up? We're gonna try touching it up. Maybe I should remove it completely. Okay, if I can find my solder socket real quick, I'll remove it. Oh damn it, it was just here. Okay. Now the multimeter is in the way, of course. I don't want to burn that. I just got a new battery for it, and that was the second screw I dropped. I would touch it up, could just be some oxidation on the solder. I wouldn't see any reason to remove it. Okay, thank you. Then I know. Let me just move this out of the way. Chat coming in with the knowledge as usual. Oh, and fume extractor. Sorry about the noise. I would like to put a bit more on this, because it felt like it ate up a bunch of solder. Maybe I should flux it up, but anyway. And I'm also trying to just mix the new solder in here. Okay. Oh, I just realized I somehow got a little delayed. I'm good now. Yeah, it does that on YouTube. I have to refresh streams. Yeah, it's better to remove it, lol. Okay, now you say it. But yeah, I also get delayed a lot when watching streams on YouTube. I have to like refresh every 5th minute or something. Water. You. Now that I see it, why does that look kind of nasty? What does look nasty? Do you mean the camera here, or is there something under the microscope? So should I maybe just remove it? What I would do isn't always the best. I'm lazy, lol. Yeah, okay, good to know. You know what? I'm gonna say you guys are noobs and I'm the smart one. We're gonna remove this, just because someone said ew. No, the solder, it looked weird to me for a sec. Okay, but now you said you, I'm gonna remove it, just for fun. At least pump off a bit of it. And then probably the battery terminal is gonna fall off, and I'm gonna spend the rest of the stream trying to get it back on. Okay, can you get warm? Did I start it? Yeah, just warming up. Oh, that was a lot of solder. I can't even get it out from my pump now. Woo! It was a big ring of solder. Oh my god, what am I doing? I pressed the wrong button. Okay. I think that's good enough. Just gonna clean the tip. Add some flux maybe even. Let's do it the right way, guys. And also, is the fan as annoying as Andy's, or is the sound okay? At least the port didn't fall off. Crap, broke the V-Trig cartridge while trying to open it, but it's just the plastic. Okay. Oh cool, thanks guys. Thanks for the info. It sounds like brittle plastic. That's kind of annoying. And if when Andy was here, he would be like, what? What VTech? Wait. Okay. That looks way better, I think. But I think I need a bit more solder. I don't want that thing. Okay, now it's rounded. I hardly notice it. Okay, thanks. I just didn't want it to be annoying. I notice it really much, but I think I have noise suppression and stuff like that on. Alright, let's clean up the area and see if we get continuity, or if I was just blind and that's not even the place it goes to. But it looks like, I mean, there's a trace there. It must go there, right? And imagine if that was the only problem. Some crusty solder on the battery terminals. That would be cool. Oh, and by the way, have you seen Vince's new video? He actually did something gaming and electronics related for once. Oh, they had hidden 4 screws under the label, and it's just a blob chip. Oh no. Wanted to dump the firmware all. That would have been fun. Cartor's Mega ROM site. All the VTech games in one place. I wonder how big those games are. Yeah, the Sega Mega Drive. It was fun seeing that port fix. Okay, it looks like it's going to 2 places, but I'm not sure exactly. Yeah, hello, good morning, how's your head? I have new batteries in my multimeter, so it's working again. Beep. Okay. So let's see, do we have continuity now? Yeah, it was. Okay, cool. So it should go here. Okay, yeah, that's better continuity. Oh, the port fix one, yeah, I saw that. Yeah, that was good. I'm just wondering, does it go here? Okay, now it goes there. So there was definitely some issue with this joint. Man, I'm so smart. Oof. I lost hair on my head to get some IQ. Okay, so now I'm wondering, will this start up? I'm just gonna check. Maybe that was stupid. Using a 360 thing. I don't know if this is gonna work. We'll see. I don't know. I'm gonna put it back in the case. Head is okay for now. Oh. Let's hope it's gonna stay that way. Tweep. Chill cat. Okay. I'm just gonna get a case. And it's just the back part we need. Oh, wait. I don't know if you can see this, but there's a terminal stuck in here, and it's rusty. As I said, it's from the water damaged thing I bought. So another case. Oh no. I have this other controller in a case. Oh, this looks crusty as well. What has happened here? Anyway, I forgot the batteries in it. No. Thank you, Falcon. Good morning. How are you? Oh wait, that was Aurelia doing the command. Sorry. Falcon got your credit with the 360. Do you know if the polarity gets correct? No, I don't. I was just assuming because I put what you call it, the batteries in the correct order. Oh, you're being funny, Carthor. Right in the morning, messing with me. My 9-volt battery is okay, actually. Thanks for asking. Alright, let's get this one in. We even checked continuity just now. You missed it. So, how should this be? Really? Okay, yeah, no. I'm just gonna click it in. So like this. And like this. Does it blink? No. No, it doesn't blink. Okay, do you guys want to check for shorts or should we check voltage? You know what? For the fun of it, let's just check shorts because it's easier. And I want to use my multimeter as much as possible because it's gonna beep and I will be happy. No, I meant it. No, I meant it really too, lol. But worked as a joke too. Wait, what? I don't get it. Okay, no worries. Nobody is surprised that I don't get it. Just gonna get some coffee. That was all the coffee. Okay. Caps, where art thou? Good morning again, MK Fix. Good morning again, Ventru. Hope you are well. And you know what? I'm really feeling like touching up most of these joints because look at these. I don't know. They just seem off to me. But yeah, let's first and foremost check for shorts because it's fun. And remind me again, it's black probe to ground, right? Oh wait, I do have alligator clips, but no, I'm not gonna mess around with that. So black probe ground. And the port seems to be a nice ground point. So let's see. And this is an inductor, I believe. It is in the right direction. The COM is in the black one. The black one is in the COM. Wait, that sounds wrong. I took a secondary simple multimeter because I don't want to break my EV blog one. It's like $300 too. Whoa. Or euros, sorry. Oh yeah, you fixed the multimeter. What was wrong with it? Was it just missing batteries? Like with mine? Okay, all of these seem to be okay for now. Is this? No, that looks like an inductor, or? Ah, okay. And I'm also wondering about these legs. I'm just gonna check if they're solid. Oh, that one goes there, that one goes there. I don't know why I'm still on continuity doing this. I could use a pick, but we're here, we're gonna check it. I'm not trying to put too much pressure on it. Shut up. Man, this goes to a lot of points. Wait, is that? Should all of these beep? I don't know if that's okay. What do you guys think? But that's maybe ground pins, yeah, okay. That might be just connected to ground. I would check if you have some voltage on the power button. Okay, I can do that soon. I got my multimeter for 7 years and I'm happy with it. Nice. Yeah, I mean, if you do simple things like checking resistances and what you call it, continuity, you don't need super much, right? Okay, this one is not saying anything. Maybe it is. Wait, restart just in case. But maybe that's because it's on another ground plane. Okay, none of these are beeping. Oh wait. Weird. That beeps. Okay, why aren't these beeping? Or is it just me? Am I just bad? I have no clue. Maybe they're having a bad connection. Because it's crackling us very much. Oh, that's a fuse. Hey, wait, let's check the fuse. You always have to check the fuse. Ah, the fuse is okay. Damn it. But voltages to the power button, that seems like a fun idea. We're gonna get to that soon. Oh, another cap. Okay. This one doesn't beep either. Or it does. My multimeter is just being a dick. And this whole area with the corrosion. Okay. Ventru, it's a bit too cheap. Was it a second hand? And like you don't have any fuse inside. Water. Okay, so power button here. Let's go with the overhead. Oh, that's a big chat. Where was the... Here was the... No, wait. That's my working one. Okay. Maybe a bit closer. My new multimeter is the Aneng 626. Cool, cool. I don't know what that is, but it sounds very cool. Okay, so we have the power button here. So you want me to just double check if we have power from here, I guess. Or voltage is going from here to here. And up. Wait. .8 volts. That seems weird. Isn't that weird from these terminal points? Or maybe it isn't. But wait, that should be plus and that should be minus. So shouldn't we have 3 volts? Because... Wait, are the batteries fine? I'm just gonna double check them. Whoa. Okay. 0.5. But wait, let me just... Yeah, 0.5 volts. Maybe these batteries are bad, first of all. What is it with me and bad batteries? 0.2. Yeah, that's dead. That's weird. Corrosion. Okay, let me just get... But wait, wasn't these the batteries we took out from the other controller that... maybe it was. Let me just get a good set of batteries. Batteries, shut up, Falcon. Hey, 8-bit repairs. Okay, let's check these. These should be 1 point something. Yeah, 1.4 almost, that's good. And for some reason I just wanted to short my leads together. And 1.3. Okay. So these should give us about 3 volts, right? Almost. So here and here. Oh wait, that's the wrong range now. .7978. Okay. So that means somewhere from this terminal to this power button, we expect almost 3 volts. And I'm wondering, where is that? Okay, we get... Wait, I lost it. We got 2 point something. Wait. 0.6, that can't be right. I'm just gonna double check under the microscope to see if I'm touching the leads correctly. And it was brand new, maybe it doesn't have a fuse inside. I don't care much about it. Okay, cool. So button of power. I'm just gonna check around these points. Okay, we have 2.27 here. We should not have anything here, right? 2.78 here. Oh wait, that's the via. Okay, so it goes to the via and it loses like half a volt when it comes to the button. And we have 2.35 here. Oh wait, we have 2.35 here as well. So it goes to the button. So that means... But wait, why do we get... Isn't that wrong? Okay, now we have 0.62, 1.2. It's going a bit all over the place. Try to push it now if it starts. Okay. Wait. Still no lights. But I did see... I'm just gonna... I want to check this one. Because... I don't know why. I just want to check it. Is it 0 ohms? 0.4. Okay. But do these LEDs look okay? Maybe they're corroded. Just stopped by to say hi on my way to bed again. Okay, cool. Happy to see the infamous battery change live. Catch y'all later today. Yeah, bye, Chris. Thanks a lot. But alright, we get voltages here, and presumably it goes to a bunch of places. Look at all these vias. Seems like they basically had used this unit as a donor part. Okay. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't start when we push the power button. I don't find any shorts on this side of the controller. And as I said, it was water damaged. So maybe there's some issues we haven't found. Like many of these joints look really dull, don't you think? Like these ones. And there was an issue, where is it, with this battery terminal, that it was so dull that the voltages from here didn't even go to the fuse. So I'm thinking, should I just touch up a bunch of these points and see what happens? But wait, what happens if I press the reset button? Nothing as well. And also I can't see infrared, so I don't know if this sensor works. Yeah, I don't know what you guys are talking about, but it's probably very fun. And this joint looks okay. But I mean, these LEDs, don't they look really bad? Is it just me? They look like kind of crusty. We gotta get closer in. I need to double check these. We're really close now. So, oh my god, the shakiest of the shakes. Like, they look really weird, but maybe that's just the plastic. Use your camera on your mobile phone to see the infrared. Oh, smart, Falcon, you're so smart. And touch the mode to see it light up. Okay, that's a good idea. Oh my god, I'm dumb. Thanks, Carthor. Okay, so we're gonna try diode mode, and we're gonna try Falcon mode. I'm gonna call it Falcon mode. Not all multimeters will light up them, but most of them will. Yeah, mine has a diode mode, and I know it has lit up other LEDs before, and I don't know which side it is. And we got 1122, so 1122 here. Maybe that's because the probes are in the wrong way. Oh, 1671. So these LEDs aren't lighting up. And I thought they looked weird. Whoops. So maybe these LEDs are just effed. Like, this is not lighting up either. And this is just open line. And this is open line as well. I get no readings whatsoever on this one, both sides. Wait, okay, I get, it's flickering. I don't know if these joints are bad. I'm gonna try to go on the terminals. Okay, 1572, whatever that means. $1,127, but they don't seem to light up. Oops. So maybe the LEDs are bad. Like, changing these out feels like a pain. I don't even have these kind of LEDs. It's reading open for now. This one is not reading anything at all. My multimeter hasn't gone to some sort of sleep mode. Oh well, if it would, I wouldn't have wasted the battery last time. Yeah, we got nothing on this one. And the last one, like, this trace also looks really crusty. Okay, I don't know. I did like Falcon's idea though, but maybe it's something with these LEDs or my multimeter. But I have been able to light up LEDs, and sometimes the EV blog multimeter light up the LED, sometimes it doesn't. What is surprising, to be honest. Okay. Yeah, the multimeter that wouldn't light up any LEDs. Okay. So, we're just gonna double check what I have now coined as, oh my god, what I now have coined as the Falcon method. We're going to use the thermal camera. Yes, it is true, you heard me. And we're going to check and see if we get any infrared from the controller. So if I just put it like this, and hopefully it will hold. We're going to zoom out a bit so I can get my phone. Be right back. Let's see. Do you have a thermal camera? Yes, Carthor, I have a thermal camera. How did you know? Wait, what's going on with my screen? Are you guys seeing a bunch of red? Because I'm seeing a bunch of red now. Wait, why is it red? Do you guys see red? I see red. You know what? Is it the... No, okay. I thought it was maybe... But wait, is it? Can it be the controller that's like shooting a bunch of infrared into my camera now? Okay. What a hot hand. But yeah, it's doing nothing. I'm like, if I... What is going on? It's looking really weird. I was just gonna see if the controller maybe outputs something. But yeah, it's not doing anything. Why is it so red? Oh my god. I'm gonna get a new phone for my work, yay! Okay. And these are just... Yeah, that's reflections. So nothing's going on here. What if I press the button? That means only 3 volts. Nothing happens when I press the button. And the annoying part is now I can check the back side because of this stupid compartment. A Wii controller. Yes, Oscar. Hello. Yeah, so the thermal cam gave us nothing. But that's weird with the... just try to use normal phone camera, not the thermal camera. Okay, what do you want me to do with the normal phone camera? Okay, so what are you saying? And this looks cool. Chuku chuku. So you mean we will see something maybe? It doesn't look like it. Oh my god, this refresh rate is trippy. But yeah, I'm holding the button, nothing is happening. Yeah, I don't see any light, no nothing coming out from this. Test the infrared with the normal phone camera like this. Is this what we're talking about? The Wii, for what I know, don't emit infrared, only receiving it. Oh wait. Yeah, that is true. I think it really has a point. Hello LU, welcome, welcome. Believe it or not, I've been trying to reverse jailbreak a PS4 for like 20 hours straight. I believe it. And I don't know why my phone is so red. Is it something with this cord? Wait, is it this cord? I don't know. I'm just gonna swap. Yeah, it must be the phone. So weird. Anyway, I think it really is right because the sensor bar emits infrared, so the Wii controller knows where it is. And instead of the sensor bar, you can just use 2 candles, which also are like an infrared dispensing mechanism thing. So yeah, that's true. So we're not gonna see anything from that controller. Exactly, because it's a receiver and not a Transceiver. Is that the word? Okay. Anyway, this red tint is doing my head and it's like really weird. But wait. Now it's okay? Oh my god, what the heck? Okay, maybe it's afraid of heights. Because when I get closer, it stops. What? Okay, okay. I've never seen that before. Transmitter. Okay, maybe that was the one. I wonder if those can be used on the PC. Which ones? Okay. So, we're back to square one. And I'm thinking, which always is a bad thing. Okay, look, we got a bunch of stuff here. So you know what I'm gonna do? Something. Wii controllers. I think they can. I played around with it a long time ago. And then you could. So wait. Where is that? Maybe some camera settings are on auto and freaking out about the color of your Fume extractor. Maybe. But I still want to believe it's just afraid of heights. I thought that was a cool explanation. Okay, will this even work? I'm gonna try to get these battery terminals out. And while I'm saying it, it feels really stupid, but I'm gonna get these battery terminals out, hopefully. And I will use the thermal camera on this side so we can see if there's something going on here. If I can even get this out, it's really in there. Ugh. I just remembered how much I hate replacing these things. I can push from this side as well. I just need another pair of tweezers. Oh my god, come on. Gonna ruin the plastic before I get this out. I think that was close. No, that wasn't close at all. Please get out. I could short it with something else though. Just so the battery power goes through it all. I'm gonna break these stupid tweezers. I don't think I'm gonna get this out. Wait. Can I get these out? I'm doing another controller. No. That's annoying. And I bent my tweezers. But that's fine, that's fine. Okay. So, how do I want to do this now? And it should be minus, plus like this. So can't I do that with the... But then again, I'm not going to see anything when I put this like so. Yeah, that's going to be annoying. And how am I supposed to? I'm just trying to figure this one out. Okay, if I do it like this. Okay, now they have connection at least. So I can try to hold it like this and then get the thermal cam and see if there's anything under here that's getting red, but I don't think it will because it's only 3 3 volts, but we'll see. We'll see. The Wiimote communicates with the host via standard Bluetooth protocol. Thanks, Cortana. Okay. Wait, do I have... Is this live chat or is it top comments? Okay. I think it's live chat. Anyway, this is gonna be interesting to see. Morning, Maxed Out. Glad to see you here and not that Swindon bastard. Okay. Come on, connect. They are connected. Oh my god. I dropped the connection. Oh, and Andy. Yes, hello. My favorite guy. Okay, I don't think we're gonna see anything from this. Okay. We're getting something red here. That's the chip. Wait. Did you guys see that? I don't think you did. Wait, let me... Okay, I think we have... Okay, I'm really trying to... Wait, where am I? I'm so confused right now. Wait. I hope you guys saw that. How is this hard? Okay, there's my finger. Wait. It's upside down. It's all over the place. Oh my god. I know you're not seeing anything right now. Maybe I can take a picture instead. I'll try to take a picture and hold this like a normal person. But I don't think I'll be able to... Okay, that's getting red. What is that? That thing. Okay, wait, that's... Maybe that's just... Okay, yeah. That's just the battery terminal. I think that's just the battery terminal. It's so hard to see. Okay, you guys aren't seeing that much. There is something getting hot. What is that? Oh my god, and it's flipped. Okay, wait, it might be this chip. I'm just gonna double check that again. See if I'm correct. Okay, no. It's just the reflections of the backside of the battery terminal. So nothing's getting hot. And soon PS5. Middle name is God of Switches. Are we talking about Toltec? I think you can connect the thermal camera to the PC. Yes, I can. But I don't have long cords with me at this moment. Maybe I can try it somehow. But then again, how am I gonna prop this up? I don't know. But anyway, I didn't see any heat spots on this. I thought this chip was getting hot, but it's not. So yeah, right now I'm a bit at a loss, but we haven't checked shorts on this side of the board, right? Because we only checked this side. So maybe we can check shorts here, see if something's wrong. And yeah, there were some caps here that didn't get continuity, but I don't know if that's because it's on another ground plane. And I think it is, because I remember playing around with these caps in particular. Let's review the symptoms. Okay. I press, no LEDs. We get power from the terminals to the button. And we also fixed the soldering on this terminal because it didn't reach the fuse before. And this controller has been water damaged. You just need a non-standard USB-C. Yeah, but like all my USB-Cs are tied up at the moment. And maybe I should get in a bit closer just for fun. Whoops, oh my god. Did I just break? No, I didn't. I'm just so strong. So that's the symptoms right now for this controller. It's getting no power, nothing's lighting up. I mean, it's getting power, it's just not getting power all over maybe. We could try following it around somehow, I don't know. But then... I'm not sure. Oh, water damage. If you put your probes in continuity mode at the LED pins, does it light up? No, it doesn't. Is the bottom okay if you can check continuity while pressing it? Oh, the button. Yeah, we can check that. Let's check the button. That's a good idea. Good idea. I like that. Whoops. Oh my god, what's wrong with this arm? I don't know. Okay. So, I didn't even think about that. It might be something with this button. And it's looking... I don't know if it's the reflections. But it looks kind of off. I mean, my multimeter doesn't either, Andy, on these LEDs, but it might be that these LEDs are bad, but it can do that on other LEDs. Okay, so I'm just gonna check. Oh my god, no. I put the multimeter in my way, of course. I'm gonna put it a bit farther ahead. I don't know if you're gonna hear the beeps, but I'll simulate them. Okay, so is it... Do we have continuity from here to here? No. Oops. We don't have it from here to here either. From here to here. I'm just checking when it beeps and when it doesn't. I need to test if my new multimeter do that. Yeah, that will be interesting. Okay, so it goes from here to here. And presumably... I got some things in the way. Okay, and from here to here. And it doesn't go from side to side. Wait, I just need to fix the focus a bit. There we go. Yeah, all multimeters do not light up LEDs, and it depends on which color LED. Yeah, okay, I see. These are blue, so I don't know if that's an issue. So I'm gonna try to do this. Okay, that's not beeping. Maybe it's gonna beep from here to here. Wait, was I even on the... I don't know if I was on the thing. So try side to side and push the button. Yes, sir. Okay, side to side works here. Okay, so it's sending voltage from left to right. Wait, that doesn't work. I'm sorry for my sausage fingers. Oh, this is kind of annoying to press. Okay, that works as well. So it's a side-to-side button. So that means if we do have battery, when I press it, the voltage should come through here. I'm thinking, should we just add a jumper wire from left to right so the voltage keeps on going continuously, and then we can follow the voltage? Is that a stupid idea? I feel that's a good idea. I'm having a good idea kind of day today. That should work, right? Maybe I can put some alligator clips on here so we just have continuity. Good morning, JFix. Didn't you test? Yeah, I did actually. And I think... Wait, let's double check that. Let's double check the voltages. Good shout, good shout. Twist and shout. Because we shouldn't get voltages on the right side then, because we don't have continuity, right? And good morning, JFix, that I haven't said that already. We're testing some quantum controllers. No, I'm not gonna do that. Volts DC. And let's check from the positive terminal to the left side of the controllers. And we do get 2 volts, only 2 volts. 2 volts. Do we get 2 volts here? I mean, we get 2 volts here, so what does the button do? I do have a thermal camera, Andy. You missed both of the thermal camera showings. But we get voltage here as well. Why do we get voltage there? I mean, what does this button do? Clickety, clickety. It could be putting 2 volt to ground. Oh, so something shorted, you mean? Because from what I understand, the voltage shouldn't be on these right terminals. It should get there when we press it down, then it sends the voltage somehow, right? Please, can I see it? No. Exactly, Carthor. Wait, do you mean no to Andy or no to me? How is this supposed to work? But it shouldn't. I mean, something is shorted then. Heroes. Proof is now in the Discord Hall of Fame. Oh no. I hope I had a nice, beautiful face at least. Some buttons can be that when you press the button that it grounds something, and that's normal. Okay, so wait. Look at me. I'm flying. Okay. Oh my god. I thought somebody said something smart, but no. But then I'm just wondering. So if we press the button, because we have 2.4 now, and when we press it, we still have 2.4 volts. I mean, this button changes nothing. But wait, what happens on this side? If I can be accurate. Oh my god, come on, guy. Wait. So we have 2.2 volts now. And when I press it, nothing is happening. It's still the same voltages. So 2.2, I press it, still 2.2. Just gotta get a better angle. And on this side, wait. Oh my god. Okay, hold on a second. Now we have 0 volts here, but wait. Okay, now we have 2 volts, but on Okay, no, we have 2 volts now. I don't know what it said that. I'm a bit confused. Sorry, what is the issue symptoms for the Wii controller? Dead, does not power on. Power up, no power. Still one for JFix, yeah, that's true. You can measure the pin and push it and see if it gets 0 volt. Yeah. So wait, what do we have here then? Go on battery terminal. Wait, here is 0 as well? How is that possible? I'm just trying to figure out how this stupid button works. Okay, 2.3 here. Oh my god. Make sure you're on the pad. Okay, wait, we have 0 up top, it seems. Or is it just me? No, we have 2 something here as well. I'm gonna try to press the button, but that shouldn't matter, right? Because it's the left line. I'm not gonna be able to press that button. No, okay. My new multimeter works perfectly for every color LED. Oh, cool. Can I borrow it? So I don't understand how this button is supposed to work, because we have voltages on all sides. So I don't get it. But wait, do we have voltage on this view? Yes, we do. Not on this one, but I'm just probing around. Wait, we do have 2.7 there as well. Okay. I feel kind of stuck with this one, because I don't get what the point of the button is if it's giving voltages all over the place. We don't seem to have anything left to write. Oh, wait, maybe that's what I should do. Oh my god, sorry. It's so annoying to get these. Okay, wait. No voltage reading here. And no voltage reading here. What? But, I mean, if voltage is going to this pin, for instance. Yeah, 2.4. And voltage is getting to this pin. Yeah, 2.4. Then we should get voltage between these points, right? But we don't. Wait. Why? Does that make sense to anybody? If I have my probe, but wait. Okay, now I'm going on the second terminal, and we have 0 and 0. Okay. You can try to short out with button with some tweezers or something. Yeah. Let's do that. Hold this. I'm just checking if this works. I think it's pressing it down now. No, it's not. It is not. Okay, I'm gonna get something. I'm too sleepy to make any sense. Cool, cool, cool. That's fine. Let me get something that's gonna short this out. I don't know if these are gonna fit. This might have done it. Hopefully. What? They just googled and it looks different, lol. Do we have continuity now? No, it hasn't shorted it. That's annoying. Okay, now. Yeah, took it because of the format. Just to double check. It was how it was supposed to work, right? From left to right, press, beep. Okay. And we are starting to run out of time, and I'm thinking, how can I short these out? You know what I can try? I can try, can I? Okay, I might be able to try this. Come on. It's really finicky. Okay. That might have done it. This should be short, right? So from here to here, you're kidding me. It is not. Get on there. Okay. That's not gonna go on there. The button should be replaced now. Yeah, it looks kind of effed up. I'm just playing around. It looks like a dog has chewed on it or something. Maybe if I get this board up a little bit. I just want to short it. That's all I want to do. Okay. Come on, that should be shorted now. And we do have continuity through this, right? Yep. JFix, the best supporters. Ooh, cool command. Haven't seen that one yet. Okay, no. No short. Since we want to replace this anyway, I'm thinking, what if we just remove this button altogether, or at least put the wire from here to here? I'm gonna do that. I don't care. We will do it. Just to get continuity so we can keep on testing this. Yes, okay. I am hoping you're saying yes to my suggestion. And if not, I'm still gonna take it as a yes. The screen is very visible. Yes, okay, cool. So I need a piece of wire. And we're just gonna take some random ass wire. It's not gonna be pretty, but it's gonna work. Just cut a random piece of wire. Let's get the Pinecil. You just want it to be different to everyone with the most unique multimeter. Somebody's salty. I'm joking. Now I'll have to look up what kind of multimeter that is because it sounds interesting. Anyway, guys. So let's short this stupid button that I don't hate at all because it has hurt me. Okay. So I don't like water damage stuff, lol, they're a pain. Yeah, but I mean, it's fun when you can try to fault find stuff, especially when you're this terrible as I am. Okay, that's on. That looks horrible, oh my god. But it's on! In my head, this was going to go a bit better than it did. Ooh, you're going to buy it. Cool, cool. What is Welk? Morning, MK and Chad. Hello, Squish. Hello, hello. Okay, do we have continuity through that now? I'm gonna check from bottom side just because it's fun. Wait, no? What do you mean, no? Do we have from here to here? We do. But wait. Did I short the wrong side? Please press. Wait. Why doesn't it want to beep here? What? Wait a minute. Do we need continuity from both points? Because I'm a bit afraid to does this make sense? From here to here, obviously. But why doesn't it beep here? Wait. I don't get it. Desolder the button to have a clear view of the clean connection. Okay, okay. Good thinking. Let's get rid of this thing. So, say goodbye to the perfect solder job. Bye. Okay. And I'm thinking, can I get under this button somehow? Get off wire. Oops. Oh my god. Whew. Okay, maybe from this side. I'm trying to get under the button, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. No. Okay, I'm gonna try to press while I desolder this point. Or I could just use wick, but I think this is more fun. I'm trying to lift it. Okay, I think that's lifted. Oh no, not worms. This is an awkward angle. Maybe I can do it from the top. Why did JFix get a super cool command and I got this perverted one? Okay, that might have lifted. Whoops. You didn't see that. Oh shit, I hope I didn't lift any pads now. Maybe I shouldn't have been playing around with this. Thanks, Carther and Andy. I can always trust you guys. I don't know why I made YouTube mods. Okay. Okay, so I should be able to just grab onto this now without ripping anything and get this button off with the last touch. Right, I can't see anything. They are the best mods, yeah, that's true. And some other people that are also mods, so nobody feels left out. Nice save, woo! No, wait, I thought I got it off. Why don't you want to come off? Wait, is there something wrong with this pad? Okay, yeah, that was, oh my god, it was that pad. I thought it was gone. Okay, so we have no button now. I've not done anything. Okay, sorry Andy. I just assumed it was you, as always. So let's do this thing again. Let's put this beautiful wire back on. Right. Oh my god. Okay. I want to redo that. Oh my god. Maybe like this. Nope. Maybe I should use tweezers or something because my fingers are just too powerful. I'm gonna rest my hand. It's so annoying because it starts moving around when I put the slightest pressure on it. I'm just too strong, guys. The bot scores points. What? Lost stream elements are second on the leaderboard. You're cheating. They want to feel relevant. Okay, maybe I need some solder in this one. Okay. Okay, so that's on. No, it's not. Okay, I'm tugging. It's solid. And I'm late for work, so we're gonna finish this up real quick. And then I have to end the stream. Sorry, guys. But let's see. We'll have to do a part 2 on this. And I'll do that tomorrow morning. Probably. But let's see. In theory, you don't need to solder the pad. You're making it loop on and off. I am. It will be logged in like a normal user. Okay, so we have continuity through here to here. And now we have it here to here. So that's something with the button being in the way. Okay. Cool. Yeah. No worries. You're gonna stream later, Andy? And we're gonna have to do a part 2 on this. Because now I have to write some code. But yeah. We're leaving at an interesting cliffhanger. Hello and goodbye. Goodbye, Sai. Great timing as usual. I'm kidding. I'm trying to cut this thing. I'm gonna cut it, then I'm gonna cut the stream. Nope. Lazy man. Okay, that's fine. And also I need to buy a new button now. Yeah, thank you guys. Thanks for being here. It was fun. Too bad we didn't fix this one, but it's gonna be interesting to see what we find on the next one. So thank you everyone for being here. And I'm almost 5 minutes late, and I think I do have a meeting actually right about now. So I'm gonna jump into my meeting, but yeah, I'm ending it in 3, 2, wait, I can't count. 3, 2, nobody saw that.